Alright, we're just going to log in here quick. I'm going to show you a few things, and obviously I'm available via telephone anytime you need to ask a question. So I just logged in, and you have basically two options here. You have your content pages and your galleries. Now up here you'll see I have the website open here. So if I go to About MGE, you can see that page with the testimonials on it too. And now I can go to Site Admin and go to Content Pages, and you can see I have this labeled About. And I'm just going to hit Edit on this, and you'll see that there's two sections here. This right here gives you a new blank section, which will be by default located below. And then there's Edit. And I'll just go ahead and go on in here and edit. And so the font I'm using here is Verdana 14, and I'm using the darkest shade of gray. This is fairly easy on the eyes and easy to read. I think it looks pretty nice. So that's easy to remember. I will show you this where my cursor is right here. That is a tool called Paste as Plain Text, and what that's going to do is if you write or edit in Microsoft Word or another program, and you want to copy and paste it into this for your website, I strongly recommend using this tool. You paste it in here, you hit OK, and it strips all the formatting out that Microsoft Word or other programs try to sneak in the background that you can't see. Format it with your 14-point Verdana dark gray, and make your life much easier, because you get that formatting into the background, and it can make it difficult to deal with the editing. Okay, so images. Pretty easy. I'll go to this image first, and I'll just right click on it, and you'll see image properties. So basically, I have some spacing around the image so the text doesn't get too close. This alignment, you can see that the image is here, and the text wraps around to the left. If I was to switch it to the line left, the image goes to the left and the text wraps around to the right. If I was to say none, it would just be inline, text would only be on the top or the bottom. I have it set to 40% so that this image changes with the layout if you're on a cell phone or if you're on a desktop, and that's why the percentage comes in. Get out of there. We'll go right down here, and I'll put my cursor right next to your name, and now I'm going to click on Image Manager, and you'll see I have a bunch of thumbnails here. I also have this is upload files, so you can choose to upload 5 files, and but I'm not going to do that right now. So I'll grab this image, and I'm literally just going to drag it over here, and I'm going to kind of watch where my cursor is through the semi-transparent image and just like drop it in there. Okay, so now I drop my image in. I can right click on it, go to image properties, and let's do the same thing here. I'll go 40%. I'll go, I'm going to align right on this one, hit OK, and there you see we just dropped the image in there, and it kind of formats right in there pretty nicely. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that though, and that's pretty much the size of this. You can play around with any of this stuff. The tables, they get handy if you really want to format your output. You can really keep it in line by choosing a table. And okay, now I'm going to go to galleries. This is the other main section. So here Fairly self-explanatory. I have create a gallery or upload files. And then if I want to see what's in that gallery, I can do that just by clicking on the link there. If I hit delete, it will delete this gallery and all the images in it. So I'm going to create a gallery here, test, submit. Now I have a test gallery, and I'm going to go ahead and go upload files. Now same deal here. I mean, I can I just want to upload one file. I'm going to put it in the test gallery. Let's grab a picture of Maria here. There we go. And now upload files. And boom. Alright, so, yep, good. Now if I go to my galleries page, we'll see that I have two galleries here. One's Maria and one's exteriors. Click on exteriors, and this is one of those deals where, like if you're on your cell phone, you just use your finger and swipe, swipe, swipe. You know, if you're on a desktop, it's pretty easy. Back to galleries. Now I'll get rid of Maria there. All right, galleries, yep, all done. And that's it for now. And if you have any questions,